Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to answer a question almost everyone keeps asking. Why do we get pimples? Let's start by looking at what a normal pore looks like on your skin. Pores, also known as hair follicles, have sebaceous glands that produce an oily substance called sebum. The main function of sebum is to keep your skin and hair healthy by acting as a moisturizer. Sometimes our pores get blocked. This could be due to dirt, dust particles, or dead skin cells. Although the pore is clogged, sebum production continues. This leads to enlargement of the pore. Gradually, bacteria accumulates here, and your body sends blood loaded with white blood cells to fight off the infection. This is what results in a reddish appearance or inflammation. These white blood cells kill the bacteria and engulf the dirt particles, forming an ugly whitish pus-filled pimple. If the dead matter accumulates under the surface of the skin, it forms a whitehead. If it accumulates on the surface of the skin, it forms a blackhead. Remember, the blackish color is due to the reaction of melanin from dead skin cells with oxygen. It is not dirt. Most people experience multiple outbreaks of pimples during teenage. This is because of a surge in hormone levels, namely androgens or the sex hormones. These hormones increase sebum production, which causes more and more pores to get blocked, causing more pimples to form. However, pimples can appear at any age, especially during stressful situations. Stress causes the release of the hormone cortisol, which promotes inflammation and suppresses immunity. This promotes the formation of pimples. There are numerous factors that have been linked to the presence or absence of pimples. Also, an important question that needs to be answered is how do we treat pimples? Stay tuned for our next video where we'll answer these questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.